Okay, welcome back everyone, Richard Huntley here. This is the jumping jack to plank jack, so lots of jacks going around here in this exercise workout. Little space needed, train safe, get your body a little bit warm before you do these exercises. You can jump some rope, stretch up a little bit, make sure you're supple and ready to roll. If you know by now, you know you've followed some of my videos on my YouTube channel, you're cool, you're down with understanding what we're doing. This is a little space needed, like I said, a quick workout that you can do at home, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want. Let's get this done. This is the first one. We're going to do the jumping jack. We're going to go 10 of these. Once you've done your 10, let's just say I've done 10, everybody knows how many 10 is. Once we hit 10, you're going to pop down here, place the feet out, and then you're going to bring them out and in for jumping jacks here, out and in. Once you've done your 10, you're going to come back up, you're going to go 9 of these, then you're going to pop down, and then you're going to go your 9 of the plank jacks, and then you're going to pop back up, you're going to do your 8, 7, 6, 6, all the way through, 1, done. You'll be surprised how this exercise will really challenge you. It's quite fun to do as well. Before you know it, you get to like the 4, the 5, the 3, and then before you know it, your body really starts to feel it, especially if you're going for it. It doesn't matter what fitness level you are. If you're newer to the game of fitness, start from 5 and go to 1. You know, if you're a bit more experienced, start from 10 and go to 1. If you want more, start from 15, 20. Did you get the picture? Depends how much time you've got as well. And then you can really start to boost up the speed, really try and pump up the repetitions, but keeping clean form as well. Imagine if you start doing these exercises near enough every day and playing with a good diet, the weight has to come off. It will, because you're really forcing your body and you're putting it into what we call fat burning mode, rather than lots of people nowadays in their lifestyle, they're putting it in fat storing mode. They're just doing the normal exercises that aren't doing too much. Maybe they're just watching on a treadmill, maybe they're just watching a film or something, and really you're just mindlessly wandering. You know, you might as well go out of nature and walk. Okay, that's more of a beautiful scene than watching television. Okay, so this style of exercise is brilliant because we're just doing, say, 10 minutes, but we're really focused on what we're doing. It's done for the day then. You don't want to do any more exercise? That's okay. Maybe you want to go and take the dog out for a walk, have a little wander around, maybe you want to do some bowling, do some martial arts like I do, find a sport. Brilliant. It's something else to supplement your workouts and vice versa for the whole complete holistic lifestyle. Take action on this countdown workout, 10, 10, 9, 9, all the way down to 1. You'll be done. It's the plank jack. And it's the plank jack challenge along with the jumping jack. So really like the jack challenge. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care for now. Have an amazing day.